Why do no planes fly over the South Pole? The South Pole, with its vast expanse of ice, polar winds, and extreme weather conditions, presents a unique set of challenges for air travel. While many planes traverse the skies above Antarctica, flying over the actual South Pole is a rare occurrence, if not entirely non-existent. There are several reasons why planes do not frequently fly over the South Pole, and they all revolve around safety and operational concerns. One of the primary factors that contribute to the absence of flights over the South Pole is the extreme cold temperatures. At the South Pole, temperatures can drop to -60 degrees Celsius, -76 degrees Fahrenheit, or even lower. Such frigid conditions can pose a significant risk to aircraft components and their functionality. The low temperatures can negatively affect the fuselage, engine, and other critical systems, potentially compromising the safety of the flight. Furthermore, the polar winds that sweep across the South Pole are incredibly strong and can reach speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. These high-speed winds create severe turbulence, making it extremely difficult and risky for planes to maintain stability and navigate safely. The aircraft's control surfaces and autopilot systems may be challenged by these strong gusts, increasing the chances of accidents or incidents. Another important factor is the absence of airports or suitable landing sites near the South Pole. Airports require infrastructure to support aviation operations, including runways, navigation aids, refueling facilities, and emergency services. In the remote and harsh environment of the South Pole, establishing and maintaining such infrastructure would be an enormous logistical and operational challenge.
Hey guys! I came here in the middle of the video, asking you to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, because there is a lot of special content every day. Keep watching.
The lack of emergency services and technical support in case of mechanical failures or emergencies further adds to the safety concerns. Moreover, the South Pole is primarily an uninhabited and research-focused area. The Antarctic Treaty System, which governs Antarctica, designates the continent as a scientific preserve, dedicated to peaceful research and environmental protection. This means that aviation activities are generally limited to those necessary for scientific and logistical purposes. Commercial flights over the South Pole are hence minimal, with most air traffic operating on the outskirts rather than directly over the pole. While it may seem like a missed opportunity to explore the vast beauty of the South Pole from a plane's perspective, the risks and challenges associated with flying over the pole make it an unlikely route for commercial aviation. However, it's worth noting that the absence of flights over the South Pole does not diminish the scientific research, exploration, and logistical support conducted in the region. Antarctica remains a unique and valuable area of study for scientists. And its preservation is of utmost importance to the international community. In conclusion, the extreme temperatures, strong winds, lack of suitable infrastructure, and the purpose of the region as a scientific preserve contribute to the absence of commercial flights over the South Pole. While we may marvel at the wonders of the southernmost point on Earth, its harsh conditions make it an unlikely route for planes to traverse.